I'm the Creeper. Catch me if you can. It was 1971, and there were computers that were part of our planet, the original network. And this message began to appear before the eyes of the only few users who used the computers at the time. Today we might think only about Creeper from Minecraft, but it's not all about this. This was the real card of Creeper, the first computer virus in history, developed by Bob Thomas, a programmer at BBN Technologies. Creeper wasn't a type of viruses we know today, like WannaCry or NotPetya. When this video gets 1000 likes, then I will make a video about these viruses. And was totally unharmful. After infecting a computer by Creeper, it would display its message, start printing a file, and before the printing was finished, jump to the next computer, by the network, disappearing from the first. His objective was to create a program to confirm whatever this could be moved between computers, not to destroy them. And he achieved that good intention. Kinda funny, but there was also an answer to Creeper, an antivirus named Reaper. The developer of Reaper was Ray Tomlinson. Reaper was really effective in its purpose. When it detected Creeper's attack, it removed it from the system, preventing it from spreading to other computers. Very important note, both the concept of virus and the concept of antivirus did not exist at the time. And give me a second. Subscribe to this channel because my own fork, my own distribution of Temple West is coming soon. It will be something spectacular. More information soon on this channel this month.